Want to taste something different from your regular puris? Then try this easy and very delicious preparation, Aloo Potato Puri. Welcome to Whada Gravy. To prepare the potato aloo puri, add 100 grams of very fine or chiroti rava to a bowl. If you have larger sized rava, then you can run it for a few seconds in the mixie to make it into finer rava. To this, add 100 ml of hot water. Whatever the measure of rava you are taking, add the same measure of water. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the potatoes. Take 2 medium-sized, washed and cleaned potatoes. Cut into medium-sized pieces. Add the potato pieces to a steamer and steam for 10 minutes. While the potatoes are getting done, take 4 green chilies or according to taste, chop fine and pound in a mortar. When half done, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to this. Pound coarsely. Set aside. To check the potatoes should be well cooked, as otherwise it will be difficult to mash them. When steamed, potatoes will be less soggy, and this will help to get the correct consistency while preparing the puri dough. Remove and allow to cool. The rava suji has soaked well. Take a flat, wide container which helps easy mixing of the dough. To this, add the soaked rava. I have peeled and mashed the potatoes. This comes to 1 cup or 240 grams. Add to the rava. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ajwain, omam or omkalu, the coarsely ground green chili cumin mix, 2 teaspoon of coarsely powdered red chili flakes, one teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt or indupu, half a teaspoon kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, half a tablespoon melted ghee. Mix everything well. To this, add 1 cup or 240 grams of whole wheat flour, a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Do not add water, as there is moisture in both the rava and cooked potatoes. Knead well. The dough has to be stiff, as later it will start to soften because of the potatoes. Once mixed, take 1 teaspoon of oil, knead and apply on the dough. Cover with the lid and allow to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take a small portion of the dough, roll and make into rounds of uniform size. Do not allow the dough to rest for a long time, as then it tends to become soft. The mixing can be done 10 minutes before frying. In case if you feel the dough has become slightly loose, then you can add a little bit of flour to adjust the consistency. To the rolling stone or board, apply a few drops of oil. And roll the shaped dough into rounds of even size thickness. Also, do not roll it too thick, as then it will not puff up. Heat a kadai with any cold-pressed oil. To check if the oil is of the correct temperature before frying, add a small piece of the dough to the oil. If the dough immediately surfaces on top, then the puris are ready to be fried. Add the rolled puri to the oil. Pure cold-pressed oils tend to froth because of the moisture content. Also, I'm using sesame oil, so this will froth quite a bit. And pure oils do not have anti-foaming chemicals added to them. You can either add oil on top of the puris so that they puff up, or keep pressing them gently. Keep turning the puris until both sides are done. Make all puris similarly. Too high a temperature will burn the puris, and very less temperature will not help it to puff up. Serve hot. I am serving them with an accompaniment of hung curd seasoned with chili flakes and roasted cumin powder. You can also have it as such or with any curry, chutney or sauce. Crisp and soft at the same time, and with so many flavors, these puris just taste amazing. They can be had for breakfast, dinner, or just a tea time snack. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such recipes. Thank you for watching. Would love to hear from you.